Pikachu?
Hi guys, I just got home and then we got the Pokemon cards. Now let's open it. This is Pikachu. Pikachu Vmax. See?
Pika Pika.
And then I got another one. Scarlet and Violet. So let's open these. First I'm gonna tell you the details. There's a big card and guys, you know, this is actually my first time opening a real Pokemon. And you know why I got this? Cause in my third grading in my prodigal exam, third grading, I was in the principal's list. So and my grades are good, so I got this as a prize. Vmax and V's, see? And these are the ones that you can see outside. Pikachu Vmax, Pikachu V, the giant Pikachu Vmax. So let's open this now. Yeah guys, I'm so excited. This is my first time. I don't really want to damage the box, so because this is really nice.
Aww.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So let's get this open. Oh, this is what it looks like blank. This is the card. Let's open these. It says Pikachu Vmax, Vmax, and Pikachu, and then evolving this. Sport. Alright, this is Yama, and then Lord. Giraffe orange. Oh, this is cool. This is like made out of grass. Relax. 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 And the energy. I don't know what's going on. And then nice energy. And then this one does gloves. And then trekking shoes. Trekking shoes. And then Lyron. And then stop this again. But that won't happen. Guys, wish me luck. I think I just got a Pikachu. Guys, I think I just got a Pikachu. I think I just got a Pikachu. Okay, guys. Pikachu! Like I said!
Pika Pika!
Pikachu! And then volcanic energy. Guys, this is the end of the video. Then I'm gonna open this next time. See you on my next video to open this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.